Hello, in this video we will explain the 10 most used Excel functions: count, sum, if, average, countif, sumif, VLOOKUP, and min, max, and sum product. These 10 functions we will explain them step by step and one by one. So let's start. The first function that we will explain, that is count. Count is used to count just the cells which has numbers. If you would like to count all the cells which contain text also, so for that you should use count A. It means count all, but the count is used to count just the cell which contains number. Equal to count tab and select, for example, these cells. Press enter. Just 3 cells contains numbers. These 3 cells. Now let's move to the second function, sum. Sum is used just to find the sum of the values. For example, if you have more than 10, 20, 100 values, you want to find the sum of all those values. So simply we are using sum function. Tab and just select how many cells you have, just select them. Close it, press enter. 40. And now let's move to the if. If is used just to based on a condition. If the value was true, so it will return. If that the condition was okay, it means matched, so it will return true, otherwise false. It is based on a condition. Let's, for example, we want to find the result. If the score was greater than, for example, 60, so that is passed, otherwise that is fail with us. Equal to if this was greater than 60, comma, pass, else fail. Close it. Look at, if the score was greater than 60, so pass, else fail. So it is false because right now the value is greater than 60. Let's drag it down. What happened? See, fail, fail, pass, fail. This is fail because we told if that was greater than 60. So it is how the if condition is working. And now let's come here to the average function. The average function is used to find the average, okay, or the values. For example, we have these students and the student math, physics, and chemistry numbers, marks. We want to find the average for every student. So we are using average. Equal to average, tab, and select these 3 cells in arrow. Close it, press enter. So the average for this student is 78. Let's drag it down. The average for the second student is 88. So it is how we can use and find the average of values. Come here to the count F. The count F is used to count the cell based on a condition. Okay, for example, we want to just count those cells which contain star. Okay, which contain star. So let's do it. Equal to count F. First of all, range. This is our range. Our comma, our criteria. Our criteria is star static. It means those cells which contain star, otherwise whatever was attached with star, select those. Just the star and whatever is attached, concatenated with the star, so select those cell for us. Like 12, here we have S stars, so it just star, so it will select 1 2 3 4 5 cell for us. Press enter. So 4, it means here we have a space before the star. Okay, so let's remove that space. Press enter. See, that has changed to 5. So it is how it works, the count F. Based on a condition, a criteria, you are counting the cells. Come here to the sum F. The sum was used to sum the value, but the sum F is used to find the sum of those values which you specify. It means based on a criteria, based on a condition. Let's do it. Equal to sum F. Open it. First of all, range. This is our range. This is our range, comma, criteria. What is the criteria? The criteria is, for example, we want to find the sum per circle. Okay, just circle. So I will write here circle. and question mark. Question mark means circle and one character other. With the circle, if that was circle or one another character was attached with that. Comma, sum range. So the sum range is this. Close it and press enter. So for the circle we have 30. Circle 6, 10. This circle 7, 17. Circle 8, 17 with the circle 8, 20. It means this. So that the question mark means what was that just so to select those which contains circle with another character. So that is how it works. If we change that to just circle static, so then it will select 37 for us. See 37 now. So it is how it works. Sum if based on a condition you find the values. It's very useful whenever you are, for example, counting, finding the sum of like products. For example, just computer, just mouse, just monitor, other things. It is very useful function that we are using. Come here to the VLOOKUP. It means vertical lookup. So this is like a searching based, you would like to search based something, okay? You are searching. VLOOKUP is used to search for something like this table, and we want to search, for example, the salary. We want to find the salary. So to find the salary, for that, let's use equal to VLOOKUP lookup value. This is our lookup value because we want to find the salary. Comma, table array. This is our table array. Comma, column index. Here you should specify the column. Salary is first, second, third, and fourth column. So we will specify here 4, comma, true or false. We will just specify false, for example. Okay. Close it and press enter. So it means we faced with an error. So let's check it. Where is the error? G3, that is okay. And B3, sorry. Remove it and select all these things. Stop. And first, second, third, and fourth. That is okay. Press enter. So again, salary. Where is the error? G3, that is okay. And B2 to E9. Oh, sorry, that was XLOOKUP that I was using the function. But for the VLOOKUP, we should use like this. Okay, sorry for VLOOKUP. And here the lookup value. VLOOKUP value is ID. We are searching, okay, we are searching based on column. This is vertical lookup. So before I was using XLOOKUP, H2 table array. So this is our table array. Comma, now we should specify the column number, okay? The salary, we want to find the salary. So that is for second, third, and fourth. We will just use here 4, comma, 0. It means false. Close it, press enter. So 58,000. For the 53 ID, for this ID, we have the salary 58,000. So that's how we can find, okay? So before I was using XLOOKUP. Let's move now to the minimum. Minimum is used to find the minimum value in a array or just a cells. For example, in these numbers, we want to find the minimum value. Open it and select these cells. So the minimum value is 0 with us. If you want to find the maximum, for that we use max. Let's use it equal to max and select it. Close it, press enter. So the maximum value is 9. Now come here, move to the sum product, very useful function. A sum product is used just, for example, you want to find the sum of the products with the correspondings. For example, here we have the quantity and here we have the price. So what the sum function will do, the sum function will just multiply these correspondings. For example, quantity in this one, this one, in this one, in this one, it will just multiply it. First of all, it will multiply 2 multiplied by 1000, 4 multiplied by 250, 4 multiplied this, 2 multiply by this, then it will find the sum of all values. So let's do it. Okay, sum product. Close it. Let's select our array. Okay, this is our array. Close it and press enter. So the total is 1412. Yeah, that is not correct. So we should use like this. Sorry. Okay, First of all, we will select the quantity column, comma, then we will select the price column. That is how it works. Press enter. So the total is 3,500. If you multiply it and check it, so the sum will be 3,500. So that's how we can find and use these most useful function of MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.